friends, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox and even going to make. So from this slime kit I have never made. So I have this kind of two boxes and colors. And in this I have two activators. And some glitters. Then 3 bottles of clear glue. Then we have another spatula. So let's keep this aside for now. So in this we can make so there's one color slime, unicorn slime, clear slime, glitter slime and mermaid slime. So here we are going to make clear slime. Clear glue, sorry. So I'm going to remove this. So we are going to need this all for the clear slime. So now we need clear glue, activator, the spatula and the mixing bowl. So I'm going to take 10 ml. If you want you can take even 20 ml. In the manual it is written 20, but I'm going to take 10. Okay, so now first of all I'm going to tell you that this part is to measure the activator and this part is for mixing. So I'm going to mix from this part. If you have not seen my last video, I have made a slime with another slime kit. After this video, if you have not seen, you can see that video. Now I'm going to measure the activator. I'll put 1 spoon a time. So I'm going to put some more of the activator. So after mixing for a while, I have got this texture. I didn't add any more activator. As you can see, it is very stretchy. So that's all for my video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye.